So now we're going to use our tomato puree. I'm using canned plum Italian tomatoes with no salt. That way, if it's not salted, you can add the salt in later. If it already has salt in it, you don't know how salty your soup is going to be. You can also use fresh tomatoes. If it's the height of summer and you have a million tomatoes in your yard, then please use fresh tomatoes. Just chop them up coarsely and you'll be adding them to the blender. So I'm just going to open up this can of tomatoes and you're going to dump this entire thing into your blender. If you don't have a blender and you have a food processor, you can use that as well. So make sure you get all the juice out of the can. You're going to make sure you put the lid on the blender. That's the biggest mistake a cook can make, is to turn on the blender without the lid. You'll have it all over the ceiling and all over yourself. So turn on the blender on low. You just want to do it enough so that the tomatoes are well blended.